Teresa Dufour. The heat is on, and that can make looking and feeling good a little bit challenging. In today's CT Style Express, joining us is beauty and wellness expert Grace Gold to rescue our routines this summer. Grace, I think we all could use a little bit of help in this department.
Oh, it is hot out there, Teresa.
So talk to me about some of the products that you're seeing and are recommending.
Yes, well, first of all, Olay did a survey and we saw that 23% of women wear sunscreen every day, but 50% of us moisturize every day. And we want that daily sun protection because it is so vital to our skin health as well as its appearance. So an easy way to do that: moisturizer, sunscreen in one step, and I like something lighter for the summertime. This is Olay Regenerist Whip SPF 25. It is that whip texture, and it is smart, effective, and affordable. Now, what's in it? Vitamin B3 and peptide that's going to hydrate as well as improve skin elasticity and firmness, diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles. We could all use that, right?
Sure.
And I love that it's under $30 for those type of ingredients at Olay.com.
Wow, that's fantastic. Finding a moisturizer that has sunscreen in it as well. All right, what else while we're talking about sunscreens, right?
Yes, well, talking about the body, now Neutrogena found that 40% of us are so focused on the hand washing, the hand sanitizers, that we've forgotten to get body sunscreen. So you can't forget that, especially if you're heading out to vacation. I love Neutrogena sprays because they are super light. These are 3 brand new ones in the drugstore right now. Ultra Sheer Body Mist SPF 30, super light. Beach Defense Spray, which is great if you or the kids are in the water, you want that added sun protection in the water. And then Clear Body Oil-Free Sunscreen. If you break out on your body, maybe you're a runner and you're sweating on your chest, your back, you want that sun protection, they're formulating it so you don't break out on your back. These start at $10 and they're all at CVS.
Very good. And Grace, kind of the new normal face masks. You found some cute ones, it looks like.
Yes, well, the style report, Teresa, face masks are here to stay a while, so you might as well get something cute. Simple Satch is doing really fun and flattering prints. They're reusable face masks. They're 100% cotton, made in the USA, and they're doing the built-in nose bridge as well as the adjustable ear elastic, so you get that flattering fit. They also have a really cute starter kit where you get a face mask, a filter, hand sanitizer, antibacterial wipes, and a belt bag. And those wipes can actually come straight out of the belt bag, so it's really easy while you're on the go. These masks are $15 each at simplesatch.com.
I love that. I love the leopards. So adorable.
So cute.
And what is the refreshing drink I'm seeing at the end?
Yes, well, so great for busy moms like yourself, who I know are stretched so thin right now on top of everything else. This is a healthy energy drink without the crash or jitters or the junk in it. It's called Celsius, and it's actually clinically proven to speed up your metabolism, burn fat, calories, boost endurance, help build that nice lean body muscle as well. The flavor you're looking up, brand new, peach vibe. It is so delicious. It's like summer in a can. And what's in here? 7 essential vitamins. What's not in here? No sugar, artificial flavors, coloring, or preservatives. It is great for fueling your workouts. I know a lot of us are working out at home. We need a little extra boost to get our booties moving, right? This is really great. You can pick it up at Target. It's on Amazon.com, $20 for a 12-pack. I've been using it in the afternoon instead of that second cup of coffee.
I love that idea. Very good. And where can we find all your products, Grace?
Well, if you missed anything, don't worry. Come find me on Instagram at Ms. Grace Gold or gracegold.com.
Very good. And I know you're in the greater New York City area. How are you doing? How are you panning through all this?
Fortunately, here in the New York area, Connecticut area, we're doing better. And I feel like everybody's getting used to the new normal. You wear your mask, you do what you're supposed to, social distance, and you kind of get on with it. That's what we're known to do here in the Northeast, right?
That's true. Make the best of it. Well, thank you so much for all the suggestions today. And of course, you could follow Grace over on Instagram at Ms. Grace Gold or check her out at gracegold.com. It's been a pleasure. It's always fun chatting with you.
Thanks, Teresa. Happy summer, everybody.
You too.